Happy New Year. What did you do today? Me, you know, just hanging out. Huh? Fucking so cool, man. Look at the red and the orange. Oh, there we go. There we go, some red. Bam! Guy's got orange. Oh, yeah. Show off that red, buddy. That is so amazing. Look at that. Hear him hissing? Huh? Come on. This guy here is just waiting his turn. He's not interested in a fight. Oh, guys. Don't be fighting. Hmm? Oh yeah, there's a beach in the background. Just saying. Kind of forget about that when I'm doing this. What's up, man? What's up, guys? Yeah. You guys might be famous. Depends on the people. Beautiful red. That's so beautiful. And they're all different, you know? That one's got some yellow. It's red and yellow. And the tips of his back is yellow too. See that? All outlined in yellow gold. Anybody know what that is? It's gorgeous. I can't believe one of those is on my hand. One of my other videos, when I first saw those black ones with the red, I was at a Walmart in Sacramento and that blew my mind, and now they're on my hand. Absolutely crazy. That's what, huh, man? No more food and they still land on my hand. That kid was tripping out. The bird on my hand. Their claws, man, it's like a fish bite. When they grasp and let go, it's like getting a bite from a fish. And then when they tugging on the bread, it's pretty cool, man. Huh? I started off feeding like 2 earlier, and next thing you know, I had a swarm of them. And I don't know how they know. Telepathically, they must be able to communicate or something, man. Because ain't no other birds were around, and next thing you know, I was feeding a lot of them in my video I made earlier, in that 12 or 13 minute video. But man, that's, I'm gonna tell you, that's pretty fucking cool. Oh yeah, there's the beach. Danger rip currents. So yeah, man. See if I can get one to land. Nope. Happy New Year.